How to make a collage on Instagram stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can make a collage on your Instagram stories. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, there are two ways to do it, which I will show you. First, open the Instagram app, go about creating your story. And then first, I'll click a random photo over here and we will set a background colors for our collage. So tap on the draw tool at the top right and simply pick a color from the bottom which you want to use for your collage background, and long press on the middle of the screen to change the color and save the changes. Now in order to add images to this background, tap on the sticker icon on the top right corner of the screen and look for the option which is this plus icon in order to add a picture. Once you do that, select a picture from your gallery. Tap on it to change the shape and size. You can select it to square, heart, star, again square and square again. Now you can go ahead and resize it to the place of the screen. Keep adding images until you're satisfied. Once you've added the images, now you can finish it up with filters, doodles, Instagram text and post it to your story. This is the first way to make collage. The other way is by using the layouts on Instagram. So in order to do that, just tap on this little layout icon on the left hand side of the screen and choose the layout that you like to use, such as you can see multiple ones over here which has 3 photos to 4 photos to multiple ones. Let's say I select the 4 photos one. Now what I will do is I'll just tap on it and I'll tap on the plus icon to add a photo, and I will go ahead and then choose a random photo over here, and you can go ahead and change the size of this. The second one again, repeat it and select a random photo. The other one as well, you can just go ahead and select another photo, and the final one as well. The only downside of this collage is that you will not be able to change the shape and size because there it is set by default. Now tap on the save button in order to save your changes. This is simply it on how you can make a collage on Instagram. Hopefully this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.